This is the best place to have your car oil change. This is the Shell station because you only pay 200 pesos for the labor and then pay for the oils and the types of oils that you use. But all the staff here are well trained now to change your batteries, change oil, change your filters, and even your minor repairs of the car. But usually I go for repairs over here. I don't even go to other mechanics now. I just let it be service here in the gasoline station service center. In fact, they even service me at home when my car had problems and they can't run. They just schedule a visit. So while you're having your oil change, they can check your brake pads. You can check the minor repairs, but I do all my repairs in here because they know what they're doing. But my car's been running for a long time now, and they're the only one that maintains it, not the casa, not the place where I buy it. The car dealership that I buy it charges so much for every maintenance. So this is their logo. Here right now because my car needs to have a battery change. I was stuck in the road and they have to rescue me by jump starting the car. You can also see here the qualification of their mechanics, how many years they've been doing the training and where they get the training. See how many number of vehicles maintained per year. Another thing that you'll notice here in the Philippines, when you go to gasoline station, you are not the one who's gonna put the gasoline in your car or your vehicle. They have service attendants that will do the gas refill for you, like this one. And you can also see it here in the jeepney and the vehicles. That there's always gas attendants to do the refueling of your vehicle. This is the Caltex where I service my vehicles most of the time because it's cheaper and they know most of what they're doing than the actual other mechanics I've been through. In the battery shop now to change the batteries of my car. This is the one that I have to put in, the Motolite. The 24 one is 6,200. They also got the Motolite Gold, built for hot climates. This tool, that's 5,780. There you can see the price, 5,780. And if you trade in your old battery, they deduct 350 pesos out of the selling price. So they will deduct 350 pesos out of that. So but the 24 months warranty is 6,200. They also sell this unknown electron thing, which you can just put some battery or some fluid, and that's 4,800. So I just buy it here in this little shop, automotive shop, because they usually charge me less, and also to support the little businesses to survive. So they also have some tires here, Good Ride brand. And I also used to buy tires here, used tires for my multi-cab, so it's just like patronage, for like loyalty patronage. That's why I buy it here. This will give you an idea of how much the fuel price is here right now in Cebu City as of today, July 20, 2019. So you can see that the diesel is 44 pesos and 10 centavos per liter. The silver gasoline unleaded is 54 pesos and 85 cents. The platinum is 55 pesos and 62 cents. This is in Caltex gas station. Some other gasoline station, they just vary between centavos and a peso for prices. So you can see here, when you have your gasoline, an attendant will attend to you to put the gasoline in, and they will take your money and take it to the cashier. So this is my gasoline station. I always use Caltex, because you can also have your tires inflated, check for free, and window shields clean for free.